back to my channel. In this video, I am telling quotes. Swami Vivekananda Inspirational Quotes. Quote on being true to oneself. The greatest religion is to be true to your own nature. Have faith in yourself. It means the greatest quality of yours is you should be honesty in nature and should have self-confidence. Quote on self-reflection. Talk to yourself once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss meeting an intelligent person in this world. It means first you should know about yourself completely. The great and an intelligent person is hiding in you only. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye. Have a nice day.